some love, nah, nah, nah. You gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah.
Hey guys, John here from Big Dreams Travel, and this is going to be a quick walkthrough resort here at Valentin's Imperial in the Riviera Maya, south of Cancun. We are here, just a quick walkthrough. We might get to see a room, but we'll just give you some B-roll and some shots of the main areas and talk you through a little bit of what we're seeing here in the resort. But Valentin's Imperial Riviera Maya. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell down below. Let's go see a little bit of this beautiful resort. Okay, so here at Valentin Imperial, down at the end of the hallway is the unload area where you'll get out of your vehicle, and then you'll walk down this way. Inside these doors is the main lobby, and there's some other pathways out the other end, but we'll get to that. And then as we continue this way, you're going to have the lobby bar here that's open from 10 a.m. to 1 a.m., and we're going to check on and we'll show you some more. All right, coming in through the lobby here. Nice big beautiful lobby, great smell in here too. For those of you who might also be Disney people and enjoy lobby fragrances, certainly get that in here. Very classic Mexican or Spanish design here. The organ.
We don't have a large section. We have a private area for...
You can exit out of several different parts of this building.
10 people.
So you come out the back of the lobby, and there's a little walkway to our left where the sports bar is located. So we're going to head off and look at a room, but this courtyard here kind of serves as a late night gathering spot. They do have some live music here in the evenings. The theater is behind it over this way, and then all the restaurants kind of surround that courtyard. But we turned left when we got out into the courtyard, and we're going to cross this little bridge and head over, and I believe we're heading to see a junior suite. I'm sure we'll see some other things on the way. Okay, so here is a room map here of Valentin Imperial, and I make it close enough to where you can scan. But Valentin does have several levels you can book into based on what location of the resort. Junior suites, gold, silver. And then they also have a privé package, which could be added to any reservation, which gives you a reserved spot at the pool or in a palapa at the pool or on the beach. So you don't have to get up early and reserve pool chairs or anything like that. I think it is pretty, our guide has said it's pretty competitive here to do that. So we are headed in a little deeper into the resort. But again, that privé package, you do call and add that on the phone once you are booked. Of course, if you're working with an agent like us, our agents will do that for you if that's something you want. Okay, so this is a deluxe junior suite here at Valentin's Imperial. And again, I've got several other people in the room with me seeing these, so I'm not doing a full room tour, but we'll show you some videos. So the pool I just gave you some B-roll of continues on over here. This is the second largest pool in the whole Riviera Maya area. 2 swim-up bars within this pool. Just a nice big complex, and it's still going on the other side of this bar area here. We have a couple of food trucks here, nachos, tacos, things like that. Around the pool, there's one here on this side that we're walking down. There's an identical one on the other side. And so here we are finally making it to the other end of this massive pool. And so these Bali beds with the white curtains, that's where if you're a privé, you get to reserve one of these today. There are some here at the pool area. There are also some out on the beach. You get to pick one a day if you are in that privé, if you have that add-on amenity. All right, and so heading out of the pool area here, we have now arrived down to the end of the property to the beach. So we'll cross this little boardwalk and head down to the beach area. So these are the palapas for the privé guests, again for the add-on package. You can pick again one here at the beach or one at the pool. Okay, so we're coming back up to the front end of the pool where we started. We came up the other side, and we are going to head to our next spot to have some poolside spa services. One thing to note about this resort, it is very spread out compared to maybe a place like the Hotel Zone in Cancun, things like that. Buildings are very spread out. Going to be a lot of walking. They do have golf carts that you can call and help get around, but it's definitely a spread out property, which may be beneficial to some. Some people may like that. So this is a quiet pool, just a small pool here that seems to stay a little more quiet. So as we leave the pool, we come to the activities area. There's some ping pong and some pool. They also have bike tours. And then the gym and workout area is right there. Looks like they do have an outdoor workout space. I hear them doing some exercises in the pool right now. He is just starting. But like I was saying, very spread out resort. Which can be a good thing. There's a lot of quiet areas, a lot of peaceful areas, but if you want to be more towards the middle, the rooms that are silver or golden are going to put you closer to the main pool and closer to the lobby and restaurants and those things. So staying silver or golden is the best option if you want to minimize steps as much as possible. So this is a churro cart that is kind of famous here at Valentin's. But they roll this down to the foyer and set up with churros. How awesome is that? Beautiful courtyard here. Very different resort from a lot of the area. Just the heavy Spanish influences in the decor. Around the resort, just very authentic. And so if you're wanting an authentic Mexico or Spanish experience, this would be a great spot. Okay, and so we are back here outside the lobby at Valentin's Imperial, and we are headed out of here. Thanks so much for joining us on this quick walkthrough of this resort. It is a large property, so we certainly didn't see everything. But remember, one of our agents at Big Dreams Travel would love to help you plan the perfect Riviera Maya trip. www.bigdreamstravelusa.com. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and click that notification bell. Thanks for joining us.